What can you say about the recent increase in the electricity tariff?
Electricity tariff, it is appalling. That is the reason why I have been in a companions lacuna.
Wow.
Not a recapitulation. But let me tell you this, that it is Leka and Pongwatidos, that in a Lekotla, in an imbecile, flacidos, and innovative matters, were excogitatedly ruminated. We also see how the revidistical politicals move from budget disappearance to budget doctoration. Now, we are faced with a debilitating, exasperating, a reverberating, and a homogeneous electricity tariff. And this tariff is emanating with a financial lobotomization. But I pray that this is not ignite a clamorous demonstration. Now, come to think of it, how dare they deplete the citizens of the ossiferous and vociferous modus